Hi there, and welcome to FC365 TV. I'm Joe Snow, and today we're updating the video about how to restore a custom-made firmware using libimobiledevice. That video was made in summer, during the last summer, and it's now a little bit outdated because nowadays we need to use patches for ISR, for kernel cache, IBSS, and so on. So I just want to make that video up to date again, and so let's get to work. I'm gonna use again the iPhone 3.1 iOS 7.1.2 firmware because it has all the keys published on its page on the iPhone wiki. As you can see, if I select iPhone 4S for example, no keys for the latest version, no keys for the previous version. The same for iPhone 5, and iPhone 5.2 has the keys for 9.2 but are not complete. If I go to this page, as you can see, to do, and so on. Only 2 keys are published, and it's not enough. We need all the keys. But if I go to the iPhone 4, I'm gonna have all the keys available, as you can see, for the latest version. Okay, and all the keys are here, so we can work. Okay, this is a clean, just downloaded IPSW. First of all, you need to modify the IPSW. So I'm gonna make it a zip file, and I'm gonna extract it. But no, I'm gonna open. You open it with WinRAR, and I'm gonna take the biggest DMG file and I'm gonna copy it on the screen. Just wait for it to get copied. Okay, there we go. And this is the DMG file. I'm gonna put this one in this in here in the try, and I'm gonna open iDecrypted. I'm going to use iDecrypted as I use it in the summer. I'm not going to touch my application that I created because I want it to be the same procedure. There we go. Okay, and I'm gonna select input file, wait a year, open the DMG file, then go to the iPhone wiki and take the keys for it and paste it here and start the decryption process. Something went wrong. Just a second. Okay, let's try again. And yeah, finally it will start, and it will start to decrypt the actual file, as you can see here, and it will create a decrypted one. Let's wait. Okay, it finished the whole process. Now we can open the this file. I'm gonna drag it and take it here. Okay, and we're able to go to applications, and you have setup.app. Rename it to .app. Okay, no longer set up here. If we click F, we have fuck Apple. So the setup will remain here, but will not have the same name, and so the application will no longer be found. Now we have to delete the original one. Pay attention to it. It has 1.08 gigabits. Okay, we deleted the original one. Rename this one like original, and it's encryption time. Open CMD here. There we go. Copy this one into the folder. The folder contains all the applications required, so you gotta download it from the description. Okay, and cd into the folder, then dmg.exe. It will start the program, and you will write dmg.exe build. Okay, and we need the file. Control rename. Okay, Control C, the name, paste it here, paste it again, add encrypt, ANC from encrypted, and K. Okay, and the key from the iPhone wiki, the same key. We're going to use the same key to encrypt back the DMG. And it will start to encrypt back because we decrypted, we did the modifications, and we are going to encrypt back in order to avoid some errors. I'm gonna be back when it finishes because it will take a little bit. There we go. After we see done here, it means that it completely encrypted. Now we're able to delete this one and rename it, the one you created, you rename it like original. Now you take this one and put it back to your archive. Delete it from the archive too, as you can see here. Oh, sorry, Control Z. God damn it. Okay, delete this one and add your modified one to the IPSW. Click OK and wait. It will take 3 minutes, 4 minutes, whatever. Okay, now that the file was added to the archive, we have to take from the archive a RAM disk. Okay, I take the RAM disk. I'm gonna delete the this one because we finished with it. Now we need to move this one into the folder and start again a CMD. Okay, CD again into this folder. Okay, expound tool, give an enter. Okay, again take the RAM disk name. The RAM disk is smaller. Okay, I think I left, okay, too much space. The new name, okay, it's in file, out file. Out file means decrypted one. Okay, and we need to write key and take the key for it because it has 2 keys. We've got the one with 13, so we're gonna use this key. Okay, so I added the IV key automatically from here because I wanted to shorten the video. I'm gonna click OK. It will create another one. We can close this one, and in the decrypted one we can open it, for example with Transmec. Just a second. There we go, RAM disk, and we can find the ISR file. Now let's extract the ISR file. Rename it. First of all, rename this one to RAM disk. Okay, and now start CMD. CD into the folder again. Load age plus. Okay, and I'm gonna insert the comment and I'll be back because it takes too long. And we need to insert the code. You have to select the grow depending on how much it takes on your hard disk, this file. Okay, grew volume. After that, and insert this command and extract ISR file, and you have to patch it. I'm gonna patch it. If you want to know how to patch it, and if you don't know how to patch it, the video is in the description, and I'll be back when I have the patched file because the time is running down. Okay, now I patched the ISR using the patches from the forum, ISR patch from here, and I'm gonna pull it again into the RAM disk using the HFS plus, and I'll be back. Okay, so here I added the ISR to this file. Now we take the file and replace it here in the archive because it has the ISR patched, and now it's time for IBEC and IBSS. Oops, wrong file. This one is the one I modified, so I have to take the name of this one to delete the original. Sorry. So I'm gonna rename the modified one, and after that take the modified one and put it here. Sorry guys. Okay, there we go. Now we can delete this one. We can delete the ISR modified, and we need to go to firmware, to DFU, and extract those 2 files in this folder. And using those patches, I have a video for it, it's in the description. We're gonna patch them. I'm not going to show you here because I only have 15 minutes and it's already 9 minutes, and we also want to do the restore to create the proof, but I'm going to patch them right away. Okay, I'm gonna open CMD, CD into this one, into this folder. Okay, and for that we're going to use EMG free maker. Okay, so let's go to work. Okay, and as you can see, I patched here the files. Those are the new files created. I'm gonna delete the original ones and rename, because I specified a fake name in order to create a separate file. Okay, and repair the name for this one too. Delete the B and add the I. And now take them and replace them into the archive. Oops, I closed the archive. Gonna go here to Farmer, DFU, delete those ones. We're now including our patched ones into the archive. Okay, there we go. And now we need to rename this back to IPSW. And go into libimobile folder and copy it there, libimobile, and drag it here. Okay, now let's start the restore process. After you extract the libimobile device components into your C, you're gonna go CMD, CD, C, and where you extracted your libi. Mine is in libimobile. And I'm in here, and I'm gonna write iDevice restore. No, iDevice info first. I'm gonna connect my iPhone to show you that it's locked. Okay, shows my phone. It connects. Activate your iPhone. Okay, and this is it. And I'm gonna go here, iDevice info. Wait. It's gonna bring everything here. We're going to take unique device ID number from here, mark, and take it. Okay, I got it. Okay, now I'm gonna go to CD again and you have to write iDevice restore.exe, line U, line, and your U did, leave a space, and now take the full path of this one, including IPSW here, and hit enter. And now let's wait for it to restore and see if it restores the custom-made firmware. It will start. It will start the extraction and so on. Okay, it's entering in recovery mode. Sending guy back, the one we patched. Okay, it got sent. Partitioning NAND. As you can see here, recovery mode, sending Apple logo. Okay, we're gonna wait and see if it passes the ISR check. Checking file systems, it says. When checking file systems, it will check it via ISR. Okay, we're moving. File system validated, no ISR error. Sending file system now. Okay, it says done sending file system, restoring image. Okay, it says done sending NOR data, done sending baseband, and I think it's almost done. Mounting file system, unknown operations, and it's gone. Now let's test it. Okay guys, so restore finished, done, and here's a screenshot took right now, as you can see, and restored with Libby. I wrote here, and this is basically it. Thanks for watching, and till the next time, goodbye. Files are in the description.